In the previous video, we have learnt how to clear abacus, answer bar of the abacus, value of the beads, and where to start abacus with, and how to hold pencil also. In this video, page number 2, teacher training book. Question number 1. The question number 1. Two beads are touching the answer bar and the answer filled in is 2. In question number 2, the bead with a value of 5 is touching the answer bar and the answer filled in is 5. This and this is same. In this single color tool, this is the rod of ones. This is 5, 1, 1, 1, 1. Clear? When you teach students, it's important to recognize the value of the beads. From question number 3 to 7, you need to look at the beads and fill in the correct answers. So question number 3, 3 beads are touching the answer. 3 lower beads. So each bead's value is 1. So we will fill here 3. Question number 4, 5's bead and 1's bead. Total 5 and 1, 6. Question number 5, 4 beads are touching and each bead's value is 1. So answer is 4. Maximum beads are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Question number 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. And question number 7, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is the maximum number of this rod. In question number 1, answer is 4. So you have to draw the beads. So 4, it means 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we can draw beads like this. It is not necessary to draw beads like this. You can draw beads like this. 3 is answer. Draw 3 beads. 6. Be careful. Don't draw 6 beads. Actually 5 and 1. It's correct because 6 is not possible in this rod. 5 and 1. Maximum beads are 4 in lower beads. 8, it means 5, 6, 7 and 8. 5, so don't draw 5 beads here. Draw only 1 bead of 5. 9, don't draw 9 beads. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Maximum beads are 9. 9 means value of beads 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We can't draw 10 bead, 10 value of this single one's rod. It's one's rod. One's means 1 to 9. 2, 1 and 2. So far we have learnt how to create value using beads and how to represent numbers with the beads. All of this was focused on single-digit numbers. In the next chapter, we will learn how to recognize double-digit numbers. See you in the next chapter. Thank you very much for watching the video.